How to clear your Instagram cache. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your Instagram cache. Without further ado, let's get started. So like Instagram, all the services or app stores the data temporarily on your device to speed up the device and the app. However, the main thing happening is that the app will store the information on your device once you use it. So when you visit any Instagram profiles, the data of that particular profile will be stored in the cache memory. So we need to clear the Instagram cache in some cases. For example, if the cache data increases, it might slow down the device if the memory is limited. So if you want to clear the cache, it will help you speed up your device and also the Instagram app itself. Let's just go back to our homepage, and actually we're going to clear the cache using the Settings app on iPhone. Just click on Settings right here. After that, scroll down a bit and click on General. And click on iPhone Storage. Wait for it to load. So you will see your list of apps downloaded right here. And just scroll through and find Instagram. Click on Instagram. And let's just simply click on Upload app right here, and that will actually clear the cache. So click on Upload app and Upload app again and wait for it to be offloaded. So this will free up storage that is used by Instagram app. After that, let's just reinstall the app since it has already cleared the cache. Click on Reinstall app and wait for it to be reinstalled. Now that it has been reinstalled, and you can now use the Instagram app again. So basically the documents and data and the storage that took that up has been decreased, as you can see from the numbers that we can see here. So you have successfully cleared your Instagram cache. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.